Good morning, boys and girls. I just wanted to go over a few questions with you, so this way you guys have it here before the 120 meet. So while you're going over the practice buddy, it'll allow to help you be successful just in case you had any questions while you're at home. Okay, so I'm going to click on the practice buddy, and it's going to bring me to this particular question. So if you see I got a check here because I made sure I did it correctly first before I went ahead and explained to you how to answer this type of question. So right away, we read the directions, and the directions tells us to find the sum. So when I see the word sum, I know that I'm using addition, and it has the symbol already there for me. So this type of question, you're going to fill in the blanks. Now, when you see a question like this, right, there's going to be missing pieces that you have to fill in, missing place values specifically. So I want you to think about it and be careful. And what you should be saying to yourself in this type of question specifically is what plus 5 is going to give me 5, right? And remember, in each place value, you're only allowed to hold one digit. So I do know that if I put a 10 here, right, 10 plus 5 would give me 15, and I can regroup a 1, but I can't put two digits in one place value. I can only fill it with one digit. So I know that 0 plus 5 would give me 5. And I know that I don't have to regroup. Okay, so 0 plus 5 would give me 5. I'm not regrouping anything, so just 3 plus 3 would give me 6. And I'm going to double check my last place value, the ones place. 3 plus 5 would give me 8. So I have 8 and 65 hundredths. Now, if I check my answer, I'm correct, I move on. But I see some of us checking our answer. If we get it incorrect, just clicking OK. But when we get a question incorrect, it's going to give us a piece of information. It's going to give us a tool. It's usually going to tell us a hint. Okay, well, both of my answers are incorrect, so I know I did something wrong twice. Add each place value from right to left. Include zeros to show place value as needed. Regroup if necessary. So it's always going to give you a helpful tool. I want you guys to be familiar and start getting in the swing of using this tool, okay? Because it's going to give you a clue. Don't just, oh, I got it wrong, okay, and move on and try again. I want you guys to make sure you read that helpful hint, okay? I'm just going to move on so that this way I can make sure I get over one more with you guys. I'll hit similar question, and I will start. So the second question is going to ask you to find the difference. The difference is an answer for a subtraction equation, okay? So 7 minus 8, I can't do. So again, I have my scrap paper alongside of me, which you guys should have as well. You should be writing out this equation. And once you've written out the equation along the side and solved it, all you need to do is type in your answer here. So I have 7 minus 8. I cannot do. I can't take 8 away from 7. So I'm going to regroup from the 2. I'm going to borrow from the 2, right? Cross out my 2, it becomes a 1. Cross out my 7, it becomes 17. 17 minus 8 is 9. So I'm on the right track. Now I had a 1 here, minus 8. I can't take 8 away from 1, so I'm going to borrow from the 1's place. 7 becomes now a 6. My 1 becomes an 11, so I have a 3. What I want you to remember to do for this question is type the entire number, not just one place value, okay? I have 6 minus 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. And I'll make sure I put in my entire number. So when I get my answer for this question, it has to look whole. 4 and 39 hundredths, okay? So again, 17 minus 9. 17 minus 8 is 9. I regrouped from here and borrowed from the 2. So the 2 actually became a 1. And when I borrowed from the 7, it became an 11. 11 minus 8 is 3. This was a 6 now because I borrowed to help the tens place. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 and 39 hundredths, okay? Again, if you get a question incorrect, it's going to give you a helpful tool, okay? Here's another one. One more of these I will show you, and we'll start again. 1 plus 3, I could just include it. 1 plus what will give me 3? 1 plus 2 gives me 3. 1 plus 2 gives me 3. I'm just filling in the answers. That's all I need. Okay, so I hope this quick video helped you guys answer these questions. Okay, boys and girls, have a great day. Make sure that you complete everything you need. You loose leaf, or a notebook along the side. Please show all your work. Okay.